Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phyllis of JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. I am participating in a collaboration that was uploaded actually this morning at 10 a.m. and I just saw it. And it's for small YouTubers to introduce their channel and share what it is about. Hello everyone. My name is Phyllis Robinson and I am the CEO and founder of JRC Restoration Designs. This video is to introduce the launching of my YouTube channel, which is coming soon, and I am so excited about it. I've been inspired by other YouTube vloggers, so I too will be sharing my DIY designs of duplicates and also one-of-a-kind creations. And in lieu of my channel name focused on the word restoration, I gravitate towards dumpster diving. And yes, I go right into the dumpster and dive for trash. And not trash per se, but items that people have thrown away that they consider no longer usable, I take and recreate to make it usable for someone else. I also gravitate toward yard sales, thrift stores, and Goodwill finds to turn what was once trash also into lucrative treasures. I am very excited about joining YouTube and I look forward to sharing my creations, so stay tuned. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. And until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye. So that was the intro of what my channel is about. I like to duplicate high-end things, and I was sharing that this back here is just a mirrored, I wouldn't call, well, it's not all mirrored. It's an art piece. Like these are silver plates. This is an actual mirror on the inside of a gray plate. These are frames. So I like to create high-end things using inexpensive pieces. So I like to do that on my channel, and I'm looking down on a piece of paper that I write. I like to also be involved in a lot of tablescape collaborations. I love doing that. The latest collaboration, or the next that's coming up, I love it, talking about being challenged. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, so I am here in Jacksonville, Florida. So during this COVID thing, I'm here helping my two daughters with my grandchildren as far as homeschooling, and then my oldest daughter, she's getting ready to move, no choice of her own. So I'm helping her to pack up, to get out of her apartment by August 30th, which is next week, or week after next. No, next week, or week after next, doesn't matter. Not August, but April 30th. So with that, I was not able to bring any of my DIY crafts. So I have to get creative and think of things to do. So that tablescape had to be done here in one of my daughter's apartments using stuff that she has. So that'll be uploaded April 25th. So I love doing tablescapes. Also, sharing as far as how often I upload. I try to upload at least once a week, and that's every Friday, unless I am a part of a collaboration or I'm participating in a collaboration that either falls on a Thursday or Saturday. If I do a collaboration that falls on either one of those days, I don't upload on Friday. And every once in a while, before this COVID, when I was home, before this COVID-19 thing, when I was home, I would try to upload every at least 3 weeks. That would be every either Tuesday, Wednesday, one of those days, or definitely on Friday and on Sunday. So at least those times a week, but definitely at least once a week, and I try to make it a Friday. Again, unless I'm part of a collaboration or participating in a collaboration that is scheduled to go up on a Thursday and a Saturday. The type of software that I use, if you look, you'll see the little bar that has Power Director. My daughter taught me how to do that, and believe it or not, she gave me a 15-minute instruction class on how to use that. And I do my recordings using my phone. I don't know how to use a laptop or the computer yet as far as editing my videos. So I've been using my Android phone now going on a year 2 years, going on 2 years. So now I have to reteach myself all over again how to do my videos on a laptop. I'm getting a laptop in a couple of weeks and I'm going to be practicing. But in the meantime, I use my phone and make sure I have good lighting. And I'm learning, like I'm recording now, I'm not actually looking in the camera. I'm looking at the shade behind me just so that it can appear that I'm looking right into the camera. So there's different things that I'm learning by using my phone. So that's what I use, is the Power Director is the software that I use, and I use my Android phone to record everything. And I think that is all. So I will have the host link in the description box and then the playlist as well, so that you can see the other small YouTubers videos. And then I will close this out with a blooper, and the blooper is when my daughter was making the intro video back in March of 2018. So I thank you all, and if you're not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button, click the bell, and then select all, so that you'll get a notification when I upload videos. And I always close my video out with this one encouraging saying, because I was encouraged by it, and that is, remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. Make this a blessed and productive day, everyone, and stay safe and stay positive. Bye-bye. The YouTube vlogger, so I too will be sharing my DIY designs of duplicates and one-of-a-kind creations. And in lieu of my channel name focusing on the word restoration, I gravitate towards dumpster diving. And yes, I dump right into dye, and I die right into the dumpster.